Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus 200 and its whole cubed equals to 22 minus x, and we solve this problem for the values of x. But here you remember one thing is that our x must be belongs to or belongs to real number. It means that we need to solve this problem for the real values only. Okay, so here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we need to take our base of the left hand side equals to y. So when you take this base is x plus 200, here we take x plus 200 equals to y. So this equation is implies that here we find the value of x. So here our x is equals to y minus 200. Here if we move this plus 200 in the left hand side, so you get x is equals to y minus 200. So now we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we substitute this equation number 1 in the given equation. So here our given equation is implies that our this equation is implies that. Okay, so now we substitute x plus 200 equals to y. So this will be written as y cube equals to 22 minus x. The value of x is y minus 200. This is the value of x. So we substitute it in the given equation. Okay, so further you see here we need to simplify these terms and we write it as y cubed equals to 22. We multiply this negative sign on both of these terms and it will be written as minus y plus 200. So here you see that 22 plus 200 equals to 222 minus y, and now we move this minus y in the left hand side, so it will be written as y cubed plus y minus 222, and this whole equals to 0. So now you see that this is the cubic equation. So now here I can solve this cubic equation with the very easy way. Here I cannot use the synthetic division in order to solve this cubic equation. Now here I can make the factors of this equation by a very very tricky method. Okay, yeah, and I hope so you will like this trick to find the factors of this cubic equation without using the synthetic division. So here we need to first focus on this term. This is 222, and now we need to find the prime factors of 222. Okay, so first we divide it by 2 and we get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2, and now we divide it by 3. So we have 3 3s are 9 and we carry 2, and 3 7s are 21. So here we divide it by 37. So 37 ones are 37. So it means that we write our 222 is equals to 37 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is the prime factors of 222. So after that, here you just multiply this 3 times of 2 and we write it as 3 times of 2 becomes 6. And here we break this 37 as 36 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So now we multiply this 6 on both of these terms, and we write first this 36 as 6 square plus 1 and multiplied by 6. And now we multiply this 6 on both of these terms. It will be written as 6 cube plus 6. So it means that our 222 should be written as 6 cube plus 6. So now we replace this value of 222 in this equation and we call this is our equation number 2. So we replace this 222 equal to 6 cube plus 6. Okay, so here our we have from equation number 3. So from equation number 3 we have y cube plus y minus 222. We replace this 222 equals to this value. It will be written as 6 cubed plus 6, and this whole equation equals to 0. Okay, so further we need to simplify these terms. Now we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms and we make the pair of cubic term as well. So we have the first cubic term is y cube. When you multiply this negative sign on this, it will becomes minus 6 cube, and remaining terms are, this is y, and when you multiply this negative sign on this, you get minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so after that, here we need the nice cubic formula. So you know about this cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, here we apply this nice cubic formula in the first factor of the above equation, so that our above equation should be written as in this form. So we need to apply this formula on here, so it will be written as y minus 6 times of y square plus y into 6 and plus 6 square and plus y minus 6, and this whole equation equals to 0. So after that, here you focus on both of these terms, and you see that we have y minus 6 be the common term, so that we need to take common y minus 6, and the remaining terms are y square plus 6y plus this 6 square equals to 36, and when you take common y minus 6, then you get 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. Okay, so after that, here we need to add the like terms. So we have y minus 6 into y square plus 6y plus 36 plus 1 becomes 37, and this whole equation equals to 0. Okay, so now here we need to break this equation in two cases, so that our first case is to take y minus 6 equals to 0, and we have y square plus 6y plus 37 equals to 0. So after that, we have the value of y in this case is equals to 6. Okay, so here we need equation number 2, so that from equation number 2, because we need to find the value of m, so we have the value of y equals to 6. So from equation number 2, we have x equals to y minus 200. So now we need to substitute this value of y here, and we easily get the value of x. Okay, so we have, this is 6 minus 200. So 6 minus 200 is equals to minus 194. So this is the our first real value of x. Okay, so because we solve this problem for the real values, so this is the first real value of the given equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 6, and c equals to 37. So we write that the quadratic formula is stated as y equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b, and c here, and it will be written as minus 6 plus minus square root of b square, b is 6 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 37, and it is divided by 2 times of a, so here our a is 1. So further we need more simplifications, and you write it as minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 square equals to 36, minus 4 times of 37, 148 divided by 2. Okay, so here you see that we have minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 148 equals to minus 112 divided by 2. Here you see that we have we get the negative sign inside the square root, so it will be written as iota. Okay, so it is divided by 2. So here you see that these roots are complex roots. Okay, it is not real root. Okay, because this is complex root, so that we rejected this case because we need only real roots. So here we have the final value of the given question is, this is x equals to minus 194. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.